Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import a font to CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And first of all, if we want to import a font to CapCut, we have to click on this text option. Then we're going to click on add text. And here you can go to the font option right here. Okay, then click on add font. Since we want to import a font, then you can click on this plus button, and then you can upload file from your device. And I have downloaded a font from the internet, and I'm going to use the font I have downloaded from the internet to be imported to my CapCut Mobile. And this is the font I have downloaded. Then we just need to click on it. And okay, now the font has been imported to this CapCut, and if you want to use the font, you just need to click on the font like this, and we're going to enter text like this, for example, then click on the check mark. Alright guys, and that's how we can import a font to CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.